Hello everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. It is Friday today. I've just gotten myself ready. I have to head into the city to run some errands. I have some things I have to organize and pick up and do and buy. So I thought I would take you guys along with me for the day and for I think the next few days. Before I go, I'm gonna have some lunch here at home. So I will show you guys what I will be having and then get myself dressed and bundled up because it's quite cold today. So this is what I'm having before I head into the city. I've made a very simple salad with some mixed greens, some cucumbers. These are alfalfa sprouts. I think that's how you say it. And then some seeds on top. And I'm also having an avocado toast on the side with some chili flakes, some paprika, salt and pepper, and then I've got my salad dressing here, which is the same one that I've been showing in my most recent videos. It's just lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and some salt and pepper as well. So this looks delicious. This is my outfit today. A very casual and simple outfit, but just nice and warm and cozy. So I've got on this gray turtleneck from Mango. It is cashmere. It's really, really nice and soft and very warm. My jacket is from Boohoo. These denim jeans are also from Mango, and they're like a mom style type of jean. I chose these today because they don't have any rips and it is quite cold, so I don't want any air to touch my skin or my legs. And they're quite cute as well. I did get these recently, so I will have them linked down below. The jeans are kind of cropped, so I have on these gray ankle warmers so that, again, I just keep myself as warm as possible and, you know, no air touches my skin. And then my boots are from Zara, and then my bag is Chanel. Good morning everyone, it is a new day. I'm here with Mo.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Do you see how cold? But it is such a beautiful day today. The sun is shining and it's very, very nice. So we are now on our way to a chiropractor appointment. I'm gonna have my first ever treatment from a chiropractor. I've never had one before, so I'm very excited about it. Mo's actually a very big fan of this particular doctor, and I had a little issue. I had a little issue with my back a few weeks ago, and so Mo suggested that I go and see him. When it gets very cold, my eyes water, which is what is happening right now.
It was loud.
Take a deep breath in and out. Ah, wonderful. Nice now. Wonderful. That's really good. Okay, take a breath in and out. Super. Very good. Good. But the right one was more blocked than the left one. Yeah.
Hello guys, it is now evening time. I am back home, I've showered, washed my face, and I'm currently in the midst of preparing dinner, which I will show you guys in a little bit. But I wanted to update you guys on my chiropractor appointment. So as you maybe would have seen, I know Mo was filming a little bit, but it was intense. I definitely had a few like cracking alignment things that he had to fix in my body, and I felt really great afterwards. I think with this you also kind of feel the effects afterwards, you know, when you're training and just like living your day-to-day life. That was something new and different that I recently experienced that I wanted to share with you guys. After the appointment, I went and I did my brows. I desperately needed to get them done because it had been like 3 months or so since I did them last time, so I feel really fresh. And I missed my workout this morning because we had a really busy morning, so I did 2 of Melissa Wood Health's classes at home in my bedroom, actually, on my yoga mat. I did a 20 minutes Pilates class and a 20 minutes leg and arm class. I will have her website linked below in the description box if you guys want to check her out. So as I mentioned, I am in the middle of making dinner and I want to show you guys what I'll be making tonight. I haven't made this before, but I do want to try it out. It's just a very simple rice and veggie dish with a bit of an Asian twist, I would say. So first up, I have half an onion here chopped up and 3 cloves of garlic. I will make sure to leave this recipe down below in the description box if you guys want to see step by step, but that's what's in my pan. And then here I have a bowl of some veggies. So I've got kale, grated carrots, and these are frozen peas. You can really use any vegetables that you like. You could even just use frozen vegetables. So you could use, you know, frozen peas, frozen broccoli, frozen carrots. This is a very simple recipe, so just use whatever veggies you have in your fridge. But I would say this is about 2 cups. And then here I have 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Love ginger so much. And then I'm going to put in some tamari sauce as well. And then I've got my rice cooking here. So this is some brown rice, and then here I also have some basmati jasmine rice, but I just didn't have enough, so that's why I made the brown rice as well. I'm probably just going to mix these two. So first step is to fry the onion and the garlic and the ginger as well. And then after a few minutes, it should look something like this. And then I'm going to add in all of the other veggies. I'm now adding in the rice. And then this is some tamari sauce. Put some fresh black pepper, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. That is delicious. So good. Okay, this is ready. So our Asian rice is done, and I'm serving this on the side of a whole bunch of lettuce. I've got iceberg lettuce and some mixed greens on the bottom. I'm just gonna add a little bit of dressing on the side of the lettuce, like so. And I actually have some sesame seeds that I'm just going to sprinkle on top. You could also have some avocado with this. I think that would be really good as well. But this is so simple, so good for you, and literally took me like 10 minutes, let's say 15 minutes with, you know, the rice cooking. But other than that, if you just use frozen vegetables, this is such an easy and healthy, quick dish to throw together. And I have lots left over for tomorrow and for Mo as well. So I'm super excited to eat this, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. It is the next day and it is another beautiful, beautiful sunny day today. We've been working pretty much all morning, but I did recently get an Amazon delivery of a new jewelry, like necklace organizational piece. So I just set that up and kind of cleaned up and organized this little vanity place that I have here in my bedroom. So I want to show it to you guys. So some of you might recognize this space from other videos, but this is where I like to keep all of my fragrances. And I did recently go through all of the ones that I had, and I just kept the ones that I really, really love. And because I didn't want it to look too cluttered and too busy on this, I also put some of them into this drawer. And this fragrance, for example, I really, really love. It is from Jo Malone. It is the Jasmine, Sambac, and Marigold. But because the bottle is so dark, I feel like it just doesn't really flow well with this theme. So I just keep it in here. But anyway, what I wanted to show you guys is this. So I ordered this on Amazon. It is a necklace organizer, and I love the gold color and the very chic and simplistic design. It is absolutely beautiful. So it's got 3 tiers, so you can hang your necklaces, of course. I also have some bracelets here that I hang, and then I put my watch here and my other one here. I love that you can see everything displayed so beautifully, and it kind of looks like it does in a boutique or in a store, you know? That's always the vibe that I want to have in my closet, and you know, with all of the things that I own. I think so much of what makes an apartment or a space look really beautiful and cozy and homey is just, you know, putting little attention to detail in little corners. Even if your place is not like perfect or how you would want it to be in the future, I think taking care of what you do have makes a huge difference in how you feel when you're there, you know, and just in your overall experience of living in a space. So I think keeping things clean and organized and beautiful, it really does go a very, very long way, and it just makes me so happy looking at this little corner here. I do want to make some little changes to this space, so when I do, I will definitely update you guys. But in case you haven't seen this little thing here, this is from Muji. This is where I keep my earrings and my rings, and I love these small little compartments. It just fits everything perfectly. And then I've got some more jewelry and like bigger earrings and things in this one. I'm gonna wrap up this video right now because I actually want to sit down and edit this and have it up for you guys for Wednesday. And then there will also be a new vlog going up on Sunday. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this and or what you like to see in the vlogs, and then I can include more of that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I hope you're all having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys!